Yo, go to the boss, nigga. Mr. Charles Bradley. Oh, we'll fuck you up with this one. Yo. They say never press unless no pressure. Crazy world done got me stressed. Don't know if death around the corner, I keep a vest. I'm what the streets reject. Shit, I'm what the streets respect. Turn your back on me, only dying gon' even that. Shots fired, if you survive and you even rest. Swear to God, shots fired, I took 5 and I ain't even sweat. Pop shit on your block, that's where I leave you at. You would look at me with your team, but where all your people's at? Everybody quick to judge me, it's crazy. How the fuck you know this 45 ain't gon' save me? Never lent a hand, so fuck a second chance. Scream fuck a 9 to 5, 4, 5 to your mans. And I bust him on command, he think it's sweet. Like I talked to God tonight, but right now I gotta eat. And I'ma eat by any means. What the fuck you think that mean? That mean my family still good if I'm knocked out, if I leave. But y'all can blame me. Tell me shit, nigga. Never felt the pain. You ever couldn't go to sleep cause you was starving? I remember many nights right before I started robbing. Yeah, turn your nose up. Say I got problems, but I came up overnight. Y'all still asking for some dollars. Hate the lifestyle, but you love to reap the benefits. Y'all started drama. I always gotta finish shit. Most of my fam fake, but I don't really give a shit. Everybody talking, but I'm the one that's living it. Woke up one day, like the day I end this shit. Gutter died that day, resurrection which I witnessing. You ever felt the pain or not, knowing where to go? You ever had to decide, should I die or should I let it blow? No, you could take a step in my shoes. Young boss, high rank, to the streets I pay dues. Into this game, motherfucker, cause bitch I can't lose. Live right and be broke, it's an option I can't choose. Niggas, fucked up world. But y'all can blame me. You can't tell me shit, nigga. You ain't never feel it. My life.